Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So come on in, press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, there's a thumbs up button right underneath this video. If you have a second, I'd love you guys to press it. That will help me grow on the YouTube platform. It simply means that you're enjoying my content. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm really excited. If you haven't had the opportunity to see the video that I got for the flash sale from IPSY, one of the packages that I got in the flash sale was this huge, beautiful BH Cosmetic Naughty Ho 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 palette, along with a Violet Voss full-size gloss, both of them together for $16, which to me was an absolute steal. So I showed that and shared everything else that I got from the flash sale. Everything else was the 2 for $5s, and it is a fantastic bundle. So I'll make sure to link that down below in the description box. So you guys, if you missed that video, you'll be able to just click on that link and see it there. If not, you simply just go into the search bar and you could type in IPSY flash sale, and that I try to make all my titles easy for you guys to search. All right. This one I am ecstatic to be able to share with you guys. This I had my eyes on, and I saw it in ULTA. I had it in my cart. I was waiting for a couple of things, and then I figured I would get to it when I got to it, and when I chose to get to it, it was already gone. BH Cosmetics is a brand that I'm not that familiar with, but I had the opportunity to try a couple of their face palettes that had bronzers and blushes, and it was really beautiful. So this I figured I would use to try out their eyeshadows. But like I said, their prices are very reasonable. On their own website, they run sales on top of sales on top of sales. So if it's a formula that you like or that I end up liking, I will definitely check out their website for future purchases and put my email in so that I get the email notifications down so I'll know when all the sales are. So this today I want to share with you what this one is, and I wanted to tell you how I ended up getting my hands on it, which is unbelievable. There's 30 shadows in here. It is beyond beautiful. I'm going to do my best. There is no mirror. I'm going to do my best to swatch all of these guys for you. I'm going to do it. I took all my bracelets and put them on this side so that we will be able to do this together. But I just every single color's in here. The names are just adorable. I think everything is just going to be a lot of fun to be able to share. All right, so let me just get a couple of wet towels out here. I thought I pulled them out, but I didn't. So that we'll be able to... Sometimes when you leave the packages in this area here, even though they're sealed, they end up drying up. So especially this one from Occur, it's a coconut and argan oil one. They really dried up, and they're very tiny. So I don't know, like, you know, the towels that I'm used to are a lot larger. So I just wanted to have that out here so if I ever forget to bring them here, we'd be able to get the show on the road. So this is what all the colors look like. I'm going to reach you and put them on the my fingers and show you what's here. The one that's Jingle Bells, there's a little bit of fallout. That's Jingle Bells. So this is Snow Days, Cheers, Mold, and Jingle Bells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to... Oh, they're going on just beautiful. Oh, this is a find. The Jingle Bell one looks like it's one of those pressed glitters, so I don't think I would wear that on my eyes, but the other colors are just beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go down the rows 4, and then I'll do all the dark colors that are on that last column on their own. Okay, so the next one is, here we go, it's Hot Cocoa, Mezzurine, Secret Santa, and Rudolph, of course, is the red. So that one we have is Hot Cocoa, Meringue, I think it is, Secret Santa, and Rudolph. That's what those look like there. The Rudolph color looks like I thought it would be redder, but it's coming across more like a pinky. That's really pretty. Actually, it's very similar to the color of the top I'm wearing. That's very pretty. All right, and then the next row We have Decked Out, Nutcracker, Ornaments, and Santa Baby. Just there. Really, really pretty. And then we have the fourth row. So we have Candied Fruit, Ho Ho No, Coal, and Very Merry. And that's what those look like there. Right, and then we have two more rows, and then we have all the ones along the outer side. So the colors are just stunning, and this looks like a fantastic palette. So this one here is Spicy, which looks stunning. Misbehave, Mistletoe, and Rum. Colors are, I'm going to start over here now. Really, really pretty. Those are those. Really, this is like has everything. Like, if this palette's out, you're set. I mean, I cannot believe the, I don't think it's missing anything. And these colors on the bottom here are my type that I absolutely love, these two. So this is Greetings, Pantone, Spiked Cider, and Chestnuts. Yeah, this one here is one, Chestnuts is one of those glitters, and that's what those look like there. And then we're just going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 more. So I will do those, I guess, in the palm of my hand. So this one, this is too small a cloth to try to get 30 colors off. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are those jewel tones. So this is Yuletide, Candy Cane, Sugar Plum, and Balsam. I'll do them here. That's what those look like there. And then we just have 2 more. So like I said, this was an absolute steal. Hopefully, maybe it will be in the add-ons when IPSY does their add-ons, which is the 2nd of every month after we get to do our choices. If you get plus, if you don't do the plus, the add-ons are there anyways. So always on the 2nd, and I usually try to share that with you guys as well. And then we'll just do these 2 up here. Is that not beautiful? So those are the ones that are along the final area here. So this whole row here is what I did inside here. And then that's how, you know, prominent the colors are. And then this is everything else that's in the palette. So like I said, this is a 30 colors. I paid for this plus a full-size Violet Voss lip gloss in the flash sale for $16. And what they wrote about it here simply was that BH Cosmetics is their Ho Ho Holidays Naughty palette. It's their new go-to when you're up to snow good. And then it says the limited edition eyeshadow palette features vegan, pigmented, rich neutrals and gorgeous jewel tones that blend and build seamlessly to create the baddest of the holiday looks. Use your favorite eyeshadow brushes to sweep on the luxe shimmers in the rich bronze, the amethyst, the rose gold, the festive pop of matte color, or a layer of pale to deep neutrals for an amazing depth of dimension. Like I said, this is the BH Naughty. I'm happy I did this a video on its own so that you guys would be able to see all of the shades up close. They swatched beautifully. Like I said, it has every color, every tone. I'm shocked that this was one of their newest releases, and already it was in a flash sale at IPSY. So it's giving me the opportunity to try it. But like I said, BH Cosmetics on their own website always runs specials and deals, but a deal like this for this size palette would, for $16, would have been a steal. The fact that they bundled it with the Violet Voss gloss, both for $16, I thought was something that I just could not pass up. So if you guys got this as well, please share that in the comments down below. And if you bought this on its own elsewhere, please share that in the comments down below as well, because we share in our comments on True Wants that if we find something that we like and we've had the opportunity to try, we share. And even if we don't like, we share that as well so that we can all spend our dollars wisely and get to enjoy more and more products. All right? So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. It means everything. But more importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.